Hello everyone, I am Neeta Kadam from JSPM Narre Technical Campus. My institute code is EN6755. I welcome you in the session of data structure. Today I will explain you linear search algorithm with its program. Searching algorithm. Searching is an operation which finds the place of a given number in the list. Here, searching also finds which number is present in the list or not. Here, different types of the searching algorithm. For example, linear search algorithm, binary search algorithm, Fibonacci search algorithm. Linear search technique is also known as a sequential search technique in which elements are searched in a linear fashion. Here we take one key element that is a different term. Key means what? Which elements you want to be searched. Here we compare the key element to each and every element in the list. Elements is retrieved, we return with its value and the position. Else we end up stating clearly that the key element is not found. Here I will explain you how to write a C program of linear search algorithm. Now in our screen here C editor is there, and by using that C editor we start our program. In the C editor, first part is what? Header file section. In the header file section we first write hash include stdio.h. After that next point is main function. In the main function we write our program. In the main function is the entry point of our program. Now see the algorithm steps. Step 1. Initialize, declare a variable flag. Flag indicate your element is not found. Here we initialize flag is equal to 0. So in our case here your two inputs are there. First input is what? Some elements you want to store into the array, and second is what? Key element. Here a of I is what? It is the a of 9 is the, here we require total 4 variables. One is what? A of 9, second is I, third is a key, and fourth is flag. So first declare that variables by using the int keywords. So first line of our program is what? Int a of 9, I, key, and flag is equal to 0. Now next step of algorithm is what? You want to take that 9 numbers from user. Here we consider 9 elements are present in your array. So for taking the 9 numbers from user, you require the printf and for loop. Now next code for the displaying the 9 elements. Here we require the printf and for loop. Now here you have a total 9 elements. Next step is what? You want to search any key element. So next step is what? You take the key element from user. So for that we require the printf and scanf combination. Now we go to the algorithm steps. In the algorithm step 2 is what? Take the first element in the list. So you have a key is equal to 78, one array A, it contains the 9 elements, and now you want to search that key element is present in your array or not. Our second step of the algorithm is what? Take the first element in your array. So in that step we check if your key index is equal to A of first position of your array. So we require if A of 0 is equal to key. Here A of 0 is equal to 12 and your key element is 78. So we compare 12 and 78. Here your answer is no. So we go to the next location of your array. So what is the next location of your array? A of 1. A of 1 is again compared with the 78, means key element. Here again your answer is no. Like that you go from 0th location of your array to the next location of your array. So we go to up to A of 6. In the A of 6 location there is your number, means 78. So 78 is compared with the key element. Again here answer is yes, because A of 6 is equal to key. So here we get your number. So here you set flag is equal to 1 and break your program. break the loop and go to the step 5. So up to that you know the step 1, step 2. Now step 3 is what? If the element in the list is equal to the desired element, means key element, then we set flag is equal to 1, means what? Element is found, and break the for loop. Otherwise we go to the step 5. Now after step 3 what is there? After step 3 there is the step 4, and in the step 4 if it is not the end of the list, then we take the next element in the list, and again we go to the step 3. So for that we require the code. In that code, here we go to the first location to the last location of your array. So here for loop is required. So in the for loop your I is started from 0 and going to the up to 9, and in the for loop we check the condition. In that condition, if a of I is equal to flag, if your condition or comparison is equal to or same, then we set flag is equal to 1, and here we break the for. Now algorithm's fifth step means step number 5. Now here your flag is set, means flag is equal to 1, means what? Element is found. So display the message element is found in the I plus 1th location, and if flag is not set, means what? Here your flag's value is equal to 0, means what? Element is not found, and same message is displayed in your screen. So display the message element is not found, and step 6 is what? End of your algorithm. Code for the step 5 is what? If flag is equal to 1, then we write printf element is found in particular location, else what? Printf element is not found in the program. Let us see the program execution of linear search algorithm.